Namaskar, dear students, welcome. In the last class, we solved some problems on the differential equations which are not exact, but it can be made exact by multiplying the differential equations by some functions of x and y, which are called the integrating factor. After multiplying by the integrating factor, the equations becomes exact. Originally, the equation was of the form, suppose m dx plus m dy equal to 0, del m by del y is not equal to del n by del x. The equation is not exact. But if we multiply the equation by x square or 1 by x square, y square or 1 by y square or e to the power x or something like this, then the equation becomes exact. Today, I shall solve some problems on such equations which are initially not exact, but after multiplying the differential equations by some factors of x and functions of x and y, the equation becomes exact. The integrating factor will be found in inspections. By hit and trial method, the integrating factor will be. Now let us first solve the question number 8. In the last class, we solved 7 questions. Therefore, this question is number 8. Solve this one. This equation can be written as, y sine twice x dx minus cos square x dy equal to 1 plus y square dy. 1 plus y square dy. You may write like this. Or this means y, it is nothing but twice sin x cos x. Twice sin x cos x minus cos square x dy. This can be written as d of y plus y cube divided by 3. Y plus y cube divided by 3. This can be written as this. Now see here. This means it is cos square x sin x dx. Sin x dx. This can be written as d of cos x minus d of cos x. D of cos x is what? D of cos x is minus sin x dx. Therefore, minus sin x. Therefore, we have to put another minus sign. Twice y cos x. This d of cos x is minus sin x dx. Therefore, you may write like this. Minus cos square x dy. This is equal to d of y plus y cube divided by 3. Y plus y cube divided by 3. Now, this means x dx. What is x dx? X dx can be written as d of x square by 2. D of x square by 2. It is d of cos square x by 2. You may write cos x. This can be written as twice y d of cos square x divided by 2. You may write like this. Minus cos square x dy equal to d of y plus y cube divided by 3. This two will be cancelled. Finally, you may write it as minus 2 will be cancelled. Y d of cos square x plus cos square x, not plus, it is plus can be written as, if you put it here, this sign, you may write like this. This is equal to d of y plus y cube divided by 3. Y cube divided by 3. Now, let me write here. This means it is y d of cos square x plus cos square x d of y minus d of y cos square x. You may write y cos square x. This is equal to d y plus y cube by 3. Integrating we get minus y cos square x equal to y plus y cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer. You may write here d of y plus y cube by 3 plus y cos square x. It is of the form d of u equal to 0, where u is a function of x and y. Here we have not multiplied the equation by some factors. Just rearranging the terms, you can solve this equation. Let us try to solve the next. See, the differential equation is this. Just observe that it is m y square dx. M is common from here. You may rewrite the differential equation as x cube e to the power x dx minus or plus m xy dy minus y square dx. You may write like this: y square dx equal to 0. This differential equation can be written. Now dividing by x cube. You will get e to the power x dx plus m xy dy minus y square dx divided by x cube equal to 0. Now, you see here. Now, this means e to the power x dx plus half of m. If you write here half of m, twice x dy minus twice y square dx, you may write like this. It is x cube. This is equal to 0. Or for this you may write e to the power d of e to the power x plus half of m. Just write x to the power 4 here. Multiply numerator and denominator by x. Twice x square y dy minus twice x y square dx equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Or d of e to the power x plus half of m. Here you see x to the power 4 means x square whole square. You may write x square whole square. It is x square. It is twice y dy. For twice y dy, you may write d of y square. D of y square is twice y dy minus x square d of y square. Can I write like this? No, not one minute. Minus y square d of x square, you can write like this. It is twice x y square. Y square d of x square means twice x dx. D of y square means twice y dy equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Or it is d of e to the power x plus half of m. See carefully. Denominator into differentiation of the numerator minus numerator differentiation of the denominator divided by square of the denominator. You may write d of y square by x square. Equal to 0. Or d of e to the power x plus half of m y square by x square This is equal to 0. It is of the form du equal to 0. Integrating we get e to the power x plus half of m y square by x square. This is equal to constant. This is the solution of this equation. Equation number 9. Let us try to solve this equation. It is very easy. You see, such type of equations have already been done in the last class. You can check. Now, if you divide the equation by x square plus y square, dividing the differential equation by x square plus y square, dividing by x square plus y square, we get x dy minus y dx divided by x square plus y square plus equal. This is equal to. This is equal to dx. You may write like this, or now it is x. Therefore, divide numerator and denominator by x square. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. It will be dx. Next, you may write d of y by x. D of y by x. Denominator x, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator, differentiation of the denominator. You may write here 1 plus y by x whole square equal to dx. This can be written as d of tan inverse y by x. D of tan inverse y by x equal to dx. X can be taken in the left hand side also. D of, you may write d of tan inverse y by x minus x equal to 0. It is of the form du equal to 0. Integrating we get. Integrating we get tan inverse y by x. This is equal to x plus c. Integrating we will get this one. Therefore, this is the solution of this differential equation. Let us try to solve this problem. Here also, you should divide the equation by x square plus y square. Here also, dividing by x square plus y square. Dividing by x square plus y square, we get x dx plus y dy divided by x square plus y square equal plus dy plus dy equal to 0. Yes, you may write like this, or you may write multiply twice x, multiply by twice x, 2, multiply by 2, multiplying by 2, both in both the equations, multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. Then you may write here d of x square plus y square. D of x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square plus d of twice y equal to 0. It is of the form dx divided by x. Dx divided by x can be written as d of log x. This means d of log x d of log x plus d twice y equal to 0. Integrating. If you integrate this, integrating log of x square plus y square plus twice y equal to c. This is the answer. Log of x square plus y square plus twice y equal to c. Now, for c, note the, suppose for c, You may write log A. Suppose you write log A. Log of x square plus y square plus twice y equal to log A. Twice y equal to log A. Then you may write here log of x square plus y square divided by A. This is equal to minus twice y. Minus twice y. Or you may write x square plus y square. This is equal to A e to the power minus twice y. E to the power minus twice y. This is the answer. You may write here or here also in another form. This answer. Let us come to solve the next problem. You see the differential equation carefully. X square plus y square, here also x square plus y square. From both the terms, take x square plus y square common. X square plus y square. If you take it is common, y dx minus plus x dy. Y dx plus x dy. And from this plus a square y dx minus x dy, you may write like this. Then x square plus y square. This can be written as d of xy, x dy plus y dx plus a square y dx minus x dy. This is equal to 0. You may write like this. Or d of xy plus a square y dx minus x dy divided by x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square equal to 0. You may write like this. Dividing by x square plus y square. You may write here dividing by x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Then here d of xy plus a square divide by y square here. Divide y square, dividing numerator and denominator by y square. Divide numerator and denominator by y square. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. This means d of xy plus a square. You may write d of x by y. Here 1 plus x by y whole square. Whole square equal to 0. You may write like this. Or d of xy plus a square. This can be written as d of tan inverse x by y. D of tan inverse x by y equal to 0. Or d of xy plus a square tan inverse x by y equal to 0. You may write like this. You may write like this. Or integrating, it is of the form du is equal to 0, where u is a function of x and y. Integrating we get xy plus a square tan inverse x by y equal to c. Integrating we get this xy plus a square tan inverse x by y equal to c. We can just we have solved the equation. Now try to solve the next problem. Here you see this question. It is y dy x dx, and in the previous questions it was y dx x dy. Y dx x dy. Now here also you may write like this: x square plus y square. Just as the previous question, just write like this: plus a square y dy minus x dx equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, this means x square plus y square, it can be written as d of x square plus y square divided by 2. Can I write like this? It is twice x dx plus twice y dy. 2 will be cancelled, x dx plus y dy. You may write like this, plus a square. It is d of y square by 2 minus x square by 2. You may write like this, y dy, x dx, y square by 2 minus x square by 2. Now, you see one thing. These 2 can be cancelled from both sides. 2 can be cancelled from both sides. X square plus y square. D of x square plus y square. Cancel the 2 from both sides. D of y square minus x square. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. You see, this is of the form x dx can be written as d of x square divided by 2. D of x square divided by 2. This means d of x square divided by 2. What is x? X square plus y square. This whole square divided by 2. Plus a square. A square d of y square minus x square. This is equal to 0. It is x dx. Means d of x square by 2. D of x square by 2. This means d of x square plus y square whole square divided by 2 plus a square into y square minus x square. This is equal to 0. Integrating we get x square plus y square whole square divided by 2 plus a square y square minus x square y square minus x square y square minus x square equal to 0. Equal to not 0. This is C. This is C. It is not 0. Integrating we get this is equal to constant. Or you may write x square plus y square whole square plus twice a square y square minus x square. This is equal to twice C. This is the solution of this answer. Dear students, today I want to stop here. In the next class, we shall discuss about method 2 and method 3. Today, I want to stop here. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. Dhanyabad. Thank you.